Hey, how you doing? Pat Hamer here, and this video is a little preamble to what my next video is going to be about, and I had to kind of do a little explaining. So basically, I put in a side mirror for my Ram I just sold, and it was cracked, so I wanted to replace it, and it was so simple to do. And I bet you if you had one of these things and took it to a dealer, I bet it would cost $500, $1,000. I don't know. They charge you your arm and a leg, and anyway, get that off the thing here. And so what I want to do is I want to show you that you can buy this for $103. Pretty simple, pretty cheap, pretty affordable, and don't be intimidated about doing it yourself. It's so simple. You know, my wife could have done it, and she's not a mechanic, but she could have done this. She helps me on cars and on construction stuff. I'm a contractor, and but she could have put this together probably if she would have watched this next video. So there's the link. There's the where you can buy it. Millions of satisfied customers. And it's on eBay. So I think that's all you need to know, and then you can watch this video. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's do some business. You have to take this off of this, retape it, and then plug it back in. Plug it back in, and you only can plug it in, looks like, one way. Like this white one goes here. That's where that one goes, and this black one goes here. Give it a test run. Turn the key on. See what we got here. Left side. Got a light on it. Oh, look at that. And and it works. All right. Now, so we're going to put this back together. I guess I could just put this in here and kind of see if it can put it back together. All right, so we're going to tape this up. Couldn't find my black tape, but no big deal. Okay. Put that in so it don't rattle. You don't want these things rattling around in there. Take the slack out of it. Okay. All right. So I don't know how much this would cost at a body shop or wherever they do this, but you know, you need to learn how to do stuff for yourself. And the trick to it is to be patient and not break stuff, and to think twice about what you're pulling on, because there was this little screw underneath here. You have to pull off this little plastic where's that at? Little plastic cover, little square plastic cover that goes right over this. And so this here, we want to put this out of the way of that. So I'm gonna tape it right to there. That way it don't get caught up in any hold me up on connecting this. I did the bumper on this too, because I put a little ding in the bumper with my trailer backing it up. I put a little crease from the side of the frame. It's a big wide tongue. It's not a regular tongue. The tongue's designed for a cab and chassis to go under it when you do a wide angle, so you can't really turn sharp with my trailer, so I got to buy a cab and chassis truck. That's why I'm selling this. I'm gonna miss it, man. It's got all the bells and whistles of a Dodge, And here we go. All right, so now we're ready to put her back together. Now let's see, I got to get these holes lined up. Okay, and it's going to be a fun task, I'm sure. Let's take this out of here, a little hanger. Put the door lock in through it, everything out of the way. It's got a ledge on the back side here that it kind of hangs on and kind of gets you in the right direction. Oh, wait a minute. First thing is first. Is this handle. Get this handle through. Alright. And then the door lock. Alright. There we go. Okay. So that's a lot of it right there. Oh man, it's just kind of falling into place here. So then we've got these hangers, these little white hangers on right here. You can actually see where they go. This ain't gonna be easy, I can tell you that. Okay, you can see there's two clips at the bottom. One behind the speaker, that's in. One there, that's in. Okay, I got those in. Now, get this. But this is for the door lock button. Oh, there's one at the top too, and there's two at the top. So get that pushed all in. That all pushed in. Feel that? And go down with it. Be fun, I can tell you that. Oh, I see. What's going on over here? Ah, there's one. There's two of them right here. Two of them right up here. Oh, look at that. My God. My God. Yeah. Hey guys, that was simple. That was pretty simple. Now I got to find that screw right here. Goes right back in here. Make sure you're not going to strip it. And where's my little plastic cover at? You know, you pull stuff off. You get my age, you get forgetfulness. You know. So anyways, let's put these on. I'll find that in a minute. This one goes over here. That, boom, boom, boom. Over here. You don't want to drop that nut down in here, so make sure you're thinking when you put that on. Spin them around so I don't have to work too hard to put them in. All right. You know, I just kind of got into this YouTube stuff because I got, in a week and a half, I got 2 million hits on a stupid thing I did. So you get a little bit of money from it, but don't quit your day job. I thought I had attained fame, but you know, anyway. Don't quit your day job. That's all I'm saying. I don't know. It's only been a week, and I know that YouTube metrics are behind on every page. One page will say one thing, the other page will say another. So it takes a while for it all to catch up, and I think that's probably so that they can control people scamming the system, I would imagine. I know there's a lot of talk about that. So I'm just tightening this up until I start to feel yeah, right there. See that? Get a little past that. One of them. One of them. Okay. Ah. Okay, that's good. not going nowhere. Check it again. Make sure it works before I put it all back together. This crap coming apart here. It works fine. Good. Alright, man. Okay, now these pins, as I was saying before, you can actually take the center out. Okay? And then you take, push this, squeeze it a little bit, push that in behind it. Now you're locked in there, see? Take this bottom one, pull it out, stick it in, now push in the locking pin down here. Oh, shut up. I get used to that up here where I live. There's nobody really on the roads much. And sometimes you drive around with your seatbelt off up here. It's 20 miles an hour speed limit, 30 at tops. You know, I'm a mile and a half from anywhere I would go. But they say the worst accidents are a mile from your home, right? So I guess I should be more careful. Just being honest. Sorry. Okay, there's that pin. 1, 2 more to go. There it goes. Put that in. Pin it. 2 more to go. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it looks like I got it all. I got 1 extra pin. Isn't that funny? Oh, there it is. Didn't see it. Anyways, now I gotta find that stupid plastic thing. Stupid little plastic thing. I set it down somewhere. But anyway, that's how you change a... oh, wait a minute. There's another deal here. Where'd I put that? Here it is. This little booger here. It goes... how does it go? Looks like it's going to go like that. Yeah. Yeah, there's the locking mechanisms. Bam. Look at that. Good golly Miss Molly. That's all there is to it. Call that TNT. Tain't nothing to it. Alright. Have a good day.